Our weather-wise forecast, it's 8:35, and here's meteorologist Kaitlin Wright.
Thank you so much, Chris. I think that you are priceless here on Rising. This is a look at our weather stem camera, 51 in Rock Hill and in Charlotte. Now, both of these cameras, they are working. We're just seeing a lot of dense fog out there. Concord, you can see a little bit of a haze down toward the surface, but your fog certainly not nearly as bad as points to your south. You look at Boone, 49 degrees across the high country with some of these clouds, yes, out there, but you're not dealing with the fog. Uptown right now from our weather stem cam, 51. Believe it or not, this camera view, you can see it building a little bit. It's actually looking a little better than it was, but that visibility still running at 0 miles. The wind is calm. We have a higher relative humidity, so you can tell the temperature here at the surface is very close, if not meeting that dew point temperature, leading to this ground level moisture that leads to, well, the fog that we have, the clouds on the ground or the fog. So the visibility running again at a quarter of a mile across a lot of the area, and those areas have been shaded here in gray. That's the dense fog advisory issued by the National Weather Service. So there are all different types of fog. This type of fog is called an inversion fog. It's when we have warmer air aloft. Even despite it being warm here at the surface, that temperature difference just has to really be about a degree or two. Typically what happens at night, long winter nights and low sun angles, it takes a little bit of time for this fog to lift, but we have the cooler air trying to escape up into the sky, up into the atmosphere, but it just can't because that warm air aloft, so that cold, dense, moist air is then trapped at the surface, and that's where we get that cloud to kind of form, and that's, well, fog that we've been seeing over the last couple of mornings. This morning, it is warm though. 43 in Shelby, 51 in Charlotte, 42 in Statesville, with Hickory sitting at 47 degrees. So as we head through the day today, it is a warm start out there, closer to our average high right now, but we'll be warming to about 70 to 72. As we head through the day today. Prepare for the warmth, not record breaking today. We can flirt with those records as we head through the day Friday, but checking out today, 72, not beating that 77 degree record set in 1890, but we are still going to be running 20 degrees above average. This cold front, it's going to cross today, and you're going to say, what front? It's going to be a dry cold front that sweeps across the area, not bringing rain to the area, and also not bringing a drastic cool down. But one thing it will do is stall to our south, end up lifting as a warm front. Here comes a cold front that'll sweep in from the west, and that's what amplifies our rain chances and the possibility of a couple of thunderstorms out there as we head through Saturday. So I'm talking about this Wednesday. We still have to fine tune that storm forecast as we head through Saturday based on the ingredients and the timing, but look out for rain and a few thunderstorms Saturday, cooling by Sunday. That's a look at your weather-wise forecast. Over to James for a look at those road conditions.